Had a lot of peer mentors that had had much more experience on the technical side of my business that took the time to really teach me and really put me in a position to do well in my job that I wouldn't have been able to learn otherwise. Hi, I'm Katie McGough, the business segment manager at the Lesker Company, and I've been here for 21 years. I've had a number of mentors and people that have invested in me. I think that is one of the advantages at working at a smaller family-feeling company. The company is very supportive of making sure that women feel included with the women's networking group. I think that we have a lot of good activities for networking and for that support within the team. There's a lot of stability at this company, but if you do show an interest and you would like to achieve different roles, move within the organization, most of the people on my team now actually came from other departments. That shows in the overall tenure of people that we've had over time. It's not uncommon to see people here for 10, 15, 20, 30 years. And I think that's because we are very supportive of people changing, moving up, doing different things, and giving them the right tools to be able to do that. Adaptability and willingness to learn are two really critical components to working here. I think anyone that is open to learn is gonna succeed here.